Hello, welcome to this series of Python Superclass. In this particular lecture, we'll talk about the difference between the while loop and for loop, and one common question that is there in the beginner's mind is that when to use for loop and when to go for while loop. So, what my suggestion would be that it depends upon the condition. For example, if I am working on a collection in such a way that I need to work on each and every element of the collection, then I generally prefer for loop. Because if you see the syntax of this mm, for loop, then it is like for variable in iterable, and it is followed by a set of statements. But what variable holds? For each iteration, it holds the actual element. Okay, so it is not holding any indexes, and you are not required to fetch each element using some index or something like this. So for loop is generally preferred when I need to work on each and every element of a particular collection. Okay, whereas when I talk about while loop gives us more control. Why it gives more control? Because let's suppose I want to traverse alternate elements of a collection. Okay, then in that case I specify how much increment I need to perform. For example, if you remember our while loop example, we were performing one I equals to I plus 1. Okay, and we were saying like index is less than len of lst. So that, if you remember, that was something which we were doing. Okay, so let me create this list again. Okay, so what we were doing, we were printing each element, but how we were fetching the value? We were fetching the value using the index and not with the actual. The variable was not containing the actual element. Okay, so how we were doing that? We were using like list of I. Okay, that wasn't that the case. Whereas in for loop, what was happening? We were neither specifying how much I want to increment, nor I was fetching the value using index. But what was happening? The variable itself was containing the actual element of the collection. Okay. One more difference between for loop and while loop is that for loop never ends into an infinite loop, because its logic is quite simple. Move to a particular element, store it into the variable, work on that particular variable, and move to the next element till it encounters the end of the collection. Whereas in while loop, you need to specify the beginning of the loop. For example, in that case, we were specifying I equals to 0. You need to specify how much increment you want to do. Okay, and suppose if I forget to type this statement, then what is going to happen? It will end up into an infinite loop, because every single time I will remain 0, and since we are not changing the value of I, so every single time the value of I will remain 0, and it will lead to an infinite loop. So that's it for this lecture. I hope I was able to describe the difference between for loop and while loop. So in the next lecture, we'll discuss the break statements. Thank you.